This is how we eat avocado or avocado. This is how we eat the avocado. We eat avocado in dessert way. But I know a lot of you guys eat avocado and you put that on your sandwich in salad. But here in the Philippines, we eat this way. Uy, hindi yan. Pagkain buto yan na. No. Sayon, hindi ka nakikinig. Isa, sayon. Pakain kita sa mungo. No nga. Ay, hindi talaga nakikinig to. Hindi talaga nakikinig to. Talaga nakikinig. Ay nako. Sayon. Mag-stop ka nga muna. Akin na yung buto. Nagdumi ka na naman o. Naligo ka na nga eh. Mamaya na. Punas ka doon sa towel mo. I'm gonna put the avocado here. Oh my gosh, I put so much ice. And it's wrong. So much ice. So much ice. Ice. I should not put the ice first. No. The ice should be the last step. Okay lang yan. Everyone can make a mistake. Wow. Cannot see the comment right now. It's so far away. Oh my gosh, too much ice. Huwag yung avocado ko. Dami ko nilagay ng ice. Mali ito, mali. No! Kaya, hindi ka ba mag-listen?
Ayo.
Alis ka dyan, ala. May lalabas na mumu dyan, lo. Sige. Alis ka dyan, ayun na mumu. Sige.
Atan one. Dum. Apas ipopo untuk ada ipopo. Ada ipopo ipopo.
Let me close up.